Grade 4 Maths, Term 1 Workbook Guide, and this will be pages 5 to 8. I'm your teacher, Mr. Darren, and our quote for the day is: a person who does not read books has no advantage over the one who cannot read them. So, you are very lucky, and you have been taught to read by your parents, your teachers. So with that ability, make sure you use it to read as much as you can and don't waste it. Because there are people in the world who don't have parents or teachers who have the time or are able or the resources to teach them to read. So you are very lucky. So use your skill and read as much as you can. So, today's maths. Fill in the blanks. So, we just want the total 4-digit number written here. So, just enter your thousands, hundreds, tens, and units in here for your total 4-digit number. And here, it wants you to enter the missing parts. So, you can see it's done the thousands for you here and the units here. There are no tens, so it just wants you to write the hundreds here, then write the total 4-digit number here. And this last one, we have some thousands, hundreds, and tens, but no units. So it's written the thousands for you. It's written the tens for you, so you just need to write how many hundreds are here, then write the total 4-digit number here. Remember, if there is a missing or empty box like this, you still have to enter a 0 in your 4-digit number. Page number 6. Similar again, you have thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. The thousands have been entered for you. No hundreds, so enter the tens, enter the units, and enter the total 4-digit number here. Question 2. Look at the number and fill in the blanks. It's given you 3 thousands, 0 hundreds, 2 tens, and 9 units. So there's a few questions with some blanks to fill in. The digit 3 is in the... So you've got to say which place value it is in. So it's either going to be thousands, hundreds, tens, or units. And then the value of the digit is... So... Let's say, for example, let me just write at the side. If I had the number, I don't know, 5,605. And I asked you, what is the value of the number 6? And because it's in the hundreds place value, the value of it is going to be 600. Not 6, 600. And the value of the 5. But the value of the 5 here, because it's in the thousands place value, the value would be 5,000. And then the value of this one here would just be 5, because it's in the ones place value. Okay. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a pointer about what you need to do for these next 4 questions. The same format again for B and C. You have to write which place value here, here, and here. And then write what the value of that digit is here, here, and here. So the keyword there is a value. So on each one, it wants to know the value. Okay. So hopefully that explains that. And let's have a look at the next page. So here we have to write the missing numbers. So we have 3,005 units. So that's going to be another 4-digit number. In fact, all of these, except the last one, are all 4-digit numbers. No, in fact, no, the last one's a 4-digit number as well. So be careful with this as well. There are 10 hundreds. Remember, when you have more than 9 of something, you have to regroup them. So let me just draw a quick example of that as well. So we'll draw out the place values here. So these are the units, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. So let's say I had 10 units. I don't write the 10 here anymore, so I would cross that out, and I would have 0 units, and they move over, and I have 110. So once you guess past 9, you have to move it over to the next place value. So think about that when you're doing 10 hundreds as to what the answer might be. Okay. Fill in the blanks again. Just got to write in numerals again, how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many units. Then there's the missing one here to write how many hundreds. And then same again. And you're just breaking the number down into its separate place values. So you got thousands there and tens over here. No units in this one. And then just simply repeat that process again each time. And then after you've done A, B, C, D, E, and F, move on to the next page. So question 5, what is the value of each digit? The first one has been done for you. So with these little boxes, similar to what you did in the textbook, they're just moving the place values, units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So all it wants you to do is take the place or the number and then move it to the correct place value. So you'll notice here, when it's a 10, there's 1 0 on the end. When it's 100, there's 2 zeros on the end. And when it's 1,000, there are 3 zeros on the end. So just copy this process and do the same thing here, here, and here. Number 6, what is the value of the digit 8 in each number? So similar to what you've done up here, find the 8 in each number, and then depending on what place value it is, add the zeros after it. And so write your answers here, 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 and here. And obviously, if it's in the units place value, there'll be no zeros after it, so you just write the number 8. Okay, that's the end of page 8. So thank you for learning with me today. Keep pushing through. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. You can do it. Because you're not alone. All your classmates are working through the book with you together. And I'm here to support you as well. So goodbye for today and see you for the next guide soon.